What if your next phone could unfold not once, but twice, into a full-blown tablet that fits in your pocket? After years of waiting, leaks suggest Samsung's about to drop a device that could finally perfect the foldable dream. Introducing the Samsung G Fold. This isn't just a phone, and it's not just a tablet. It might just be the future of both. But is it too ambitious to be real? Stick around. The truth might just surprise you. It's been 6 years since Samsung launched the original Galaxy Fold. And while it was groundbreaking at the time, let's be honest, it wasn't quite the future of smartphones we all hoped for. The narrow cover screen felt more like a remote control than a phone, and the crease in the center? Hard to ignore. Sure, it folded, but it didn't truly transform. Now imagine a device that actually lives up to that vision. A foldable that gives you a full-size phone and a full tablet experience without compromises. That's what the upcoming Samsung G Fold promises. Let's start with what we know from recent leaks. And it's seriously exciting. The G Fold will feature a 6.5-inch outer screen, offering a true flagship phone experience, and when you unfold it, you'll get a massive 10-inch inner display. That's right, 10 inches of pure productivity, entertainment, and multitasking power in your pocket. Unlike Huawei's Mate X, which folds the display outward, Samsung is going with a G-style inward fold. A smarter, more protected design that reduces the risk of scratches and damage. Because let's be real, nobody wants to baby their $2,000 phone. But here's where it gets even more interesting. The dual hinge design. That's right, this thing folds twice. The second hinge is designed to wrap the display inward, minimizing stress and improving durability. Now you're probably wondering, does that mean a bigger crease? Well, Samsung's reportedly using a thinner, more flexible glass, similar to what's on the Fold 7. According to leakers, crease visibility will be about the same. Not invisible, but not distracting unless you're really staring for it. If you're still obsessing over creases, maybe go back to paper. Spoiler, it creases too. Design-wise, the G Fold keeps the modern flat-sided frame we've seen on the Fold 7. The camera rings are centered and minimalistic, giving the device a clean, futuristic look. Now let's talk dimensions. Because while the G Fold might be slightly thicker than Huawei's Mate X, it's expected to weigh about the same. It's a small price to pay for better protection, a cleaner fold, and more durability. But here's the real kicker. It's not coming this year. Leaks suggest Samsung will begin production in August, meaning a global release may not happen until early next year. So what gives? Why delay such a groundbreaking device? The answer might be strategy. Just like Huawei launched their Trifold in China first, Samsung could be planning a limited launch to test the waters and build anticipation. Translation? If you want one, be ready, because availability might be very limited at first. It means the G Fold isn't just another foldable, it's a statement. It's Samsung saying, we've listened, we've learned, and now we're ready. From the smarter hinge, to the protected display, to that giant inner screen, the G Fold might finally be the device that makes foldables actually make sense. But while we wait for this beast to drop, Samsung's also shaking things up on the wrist. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is getting a major upgrade. And trust me, it's not what anyone expected. Click the next video now. Samsung is back. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic shocks everyone. More surprises are waiting, and you don't want to miss them. With that said, thanks for watching Techie Sumit. And until next time.